Hi puzzle friends, and welcome to the Jungle Puzzle. Let's save the theatrics for a bit later and take a peek inside the box. This was a fun puzzle to put together with its vibrant colors and unique patterns and the animal friends. This is a 500-piece puzzle by Willow Creek Press called In the Jungle. I purchased this secondhand actually for $1.24. What a steal. My first impression about the puzzle pieces is that I like the size of them. Kind of like the Goldilocks size, just right, not too big, not too small. While I find that I prefer classic Jigsaw puzzle shapes, these are fun too and not too funky, so a little bit on the unique side. These are a bit shiny for my preference, however, it does allow the colors to pop. Aren't these so pretty? Oh, there's one last piece not flipped over. Can you find it? There we go. Okay, so let's begin. Typically, I sort out all the edge pieces and create the border first. But while I'm here, I figured I can do some of the obvious sorting as well. I'm trying a new challenge for myself to keep all the pieces on the board as I work on it. But I quickly realized that tactic is not for me. I need a bit more space and tidiness. Now that I've moved most of the pieces out of the way, I can orient the puzzle correctly. I've realized I like having less clutter. What are your preferences while working on the puzzle? I figured it would be best to start with this little cutie, the sloth. That's what drew me to this puzzle while I was shopping around. My mom loves sloths, so it reminds me of her. Okay, there we go. The jaguars come to life, and the tree the sloth has clung to has started to appear as well. If you're enjoying this video, would you let me know and click that thumbs up button? Let's see how more of the puzzle comes together. My dog makes an appearance in most videos and shorts of mine on my channel. Did you see her in this one? Let me know how many times you saw her. I think it might be a fun game to play in each video. Friends, I have a goal to grow my channel. If you've liked this video, I'd really appreciate you letting me know by subscribing. hope you enjoyed this puzzle as much as I did. Please subscribe, and here's another video of mine to check out. See you next time, puzzle friends!